6 BT Cummins. Engine Rebuild, Part 1.
Main bearings, installation.
Main bearing cup installation.
Main cup bolts being torqued.
Marking main cup bolt for angle turn.
Angle turn in progress.
Piston, piston pin, piston rings, and con rod assembly in progress.
Call for applied technical analysis.
Call for your engine rebuilds.
WhatsApp +2332491105528.
Call us for your parts need.
Call us for your machine rentals need.
Welding, fabrication, modification, metal, surgery, and more.
Pistons and con rod assembly.